Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, Mpumelelo writes an open letter to his kids in hopes that in the future, should his kids ever say, hey, when Baba, you abandoned us, he is gonna leave this as proof. So he put up basically two videos with his daughter, basically his children that he has with Vuyokazi, Mpumelelo, and Unzulu. He put up videos with them, and I don't even know if I want to read this whole caption, but in summary, the caption is basically saying he's writing a letter to his kids telling them that he loves them, and that he never ever abandoned them. It was basically a war that the mother was fighting, basically insinuating that the mother is to blame if ever the kids feel like the father was not present in his life. Now, there has been rumors that Ukai, Vuyokazi's husband, paid damages for the kids. And then underneath his comment section, he basically said, responding to people, because a lot of people are basically referring to that episode where Vicky said, your children are going to be raised by other people. Other people basically saying that, well, you treated the mom bad. Why did you not put that in a caption? He was basically saying, guys, don't try and come in between me and my kids. Don't create a war or fights between me and my kids. That is not there. I am basically putting up this post so that my kids one day, should they go hungry or should they be left abandoned, should this situation with Fulani not work, they know the truth. Someone else even said in the comment section, I don't worry, those kids will never go hungry. Pela Fulani is a chef, you guys. I don't know, guys. I feel saddened by this whole matter. I know for some people it's a laughing matter, and it's funny because it's like, yeah, Mpumelelo got what? You know, he's feeling it, but I have always said, and I will stand by what I've said, that when it comes to kids, guys, it's a totally different situation. Mpumelelo fought and he did not treat Vuyokazi well. That's one thing. When it comes to the kids, it's a different thing, you guys. And I don't think it's fair for his kids to kind of be taken away from him just because of the relationship he had with the mother. Now, I'm saying taken away from him because according to this post, this is giving off vibes that either Vuyokazi is limiting access, limiting the access that he's going to have between his kids, or obviously now that the kids paid, has been paid, Baba Kipele Amalobola, that possibly means the children will now be staying maybe in the States, maybe Vuyokazi will move there, or whatever the situation is going to be. But for the fact that Mpumelelo is putting out a post like this means the children, he's not going to have as much access to the children as before. Now, remember, even Vuyokazi was staying with Umayeni, which possibly means that the child has been taken away from Umayeni, taken into maybe Vuyokazi's parents' care, or whatever the case is going to be. But the situation is going to be that Fulani is going to be the first father in a sense. I just don't believe, guys, in coming in between or creating animosity or creating, I don't know what to say, but I feel like it's unfair. I don't like Mpumelelo, but I don't like him to that degree, you guys. And I feel like it's kind of unfair for him to kind of be put in such a situation, you guys. I don't think it's fair. And to some extent, maybe this post will help him. Maybe his kids one day, because listen, guys, Mpumelelo is building isiThembu, and the nature of isiThembu is that he's still going to have a lot more kids. So chances are, if he doesn't clarify this or at least put this out, the kids will always feel like he chose his other kids over them, type of situation. So I don't think it's fair, you guys, and my heart is quite painful over that. I mean, he can be punished in other ways, but not with these kids. I don't believe anyone deserves that type of punishment. If anything, when it comes to them Selegus guys, no matter how much we can talk about their treatment when it comes to women, they love their kids. Coming to Sam Selegu as well, no matter how much we can speak about how he treats his wives, he loves his kids and his kids love him too. And the funny thing is, the relationships that he's had with his wives has not, like Mpumelelo, for instance, is so close with his father, yet the way Umusa treated the mother in the past, you would have swear that Mpumelelo would have some sort of grudge towards his father. So I don't think it's fair, you guys. But anyway, it is what it is. I don't know if Vuyokazi is withholding the kids, or Vuyokazi is the type of woman that when you wronged her, then you're going to see it through the kids, that she's not going to make it easy for you to see the kids. I don't know. I just want to believe that Mpumelelo wouldn't be putting up a post like this if it was the case that they were going to be parenting in a peaceful way. It looks like it's not going to be that situation, and it's quite saddening that it has to get to this point. I mean, when kids are involved, guys, we must be willing to swallow our pride, no matter how hard it is, and put the kids' interest to the forefront, or at the forefront. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.